morning, guys. I forgot something already. I forgot to change my date. Today is Wednesday, April 7th. And our month is April. Wednesday, April. Oh, I guess I already said that. Wednesday, April 7th. We are going to go ahead and do our days of the week, our months of the year, how many days we've been in school, what the weather's like, and we're going to talk a little bit more about spring today. So let's go ahead and get started. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, so today is Wednesday. Now let's do the months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. Last time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit back down. All right, guys. So we said today is Wednesday, April 7th. So let's come on over here. We're going to put Monday away. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is Wednesday, April. And let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and today, is number 7. Today is Wednesday, April 7, and our year is 2021. 2021. All right, let's figure out how many days we've been in school. So let's come on over here to our 180s chart. And we'll start counting with our 10s. Let's bring that down just a little bit. There we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Hang on to it. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, and today is 136. We have been in school for 136 days. All right, let's go ahead and do our weather. So I'll come around here and turn our weather song on and dodge my cords so I don't trip and fall down. Sunny, 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 it is sunny in the sky. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny, it is sunny in the sky. Cloudy, 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 it is cloudy in the sky. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy, it is cloudy in the sky. Rainy, 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 it is rainy in the sky. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. It is rainy in the sky. Windy, 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 windy. It is windy in the sky. W-I-N-D-Y, windy. It is windy in the sky. Snowy, 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 snowy. It is snowy in the sky. S-N-O-W-Y, snowy. It is snowy in the sky. All right, so our weather today is going to be a lot like it was yesterday. It is still feeling really nice outside. We've got some clouds today. We once again got some wind today. And later on today, hopefully much, much later on today, it is supposed to be rainy. And tomorrow it's supposed to be really rainy. But for right now, it's just cloudy and windy. Let's go ahead and look at our thermometer, and we'll see what we need to wear out at recess. Hopefully the rain will hold off until this afternoon so we can play outside. Our temperature is supposed to be around 77 degrees again today, just like yesterday. So let's start counting. Oh, sorry, I don't have a whole lot of room here. We're going to start with 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Hang on to it. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Our temperature today is around 77 degrees, which means we can go out to recess wearing our short sleeve shirts and no coats. So we're going to put our short sleeve shirt up here on our bear, and we're going to pull our raincoat down and put it on the other side of the bear because later today it is supposed to start raining. And tomorrow it's probably going to be an inside recess day because it is supposed to rain tomorrow. But for today, hopefully we will be outside until this afternoon when you go home from school. So our temperature today is 77 degrees. We said it is cloudy, windy, and rainy. So I'm going to point our weather arrow right up here in the middle because we got cloudy, windy, and rainy all together. That's what our weather's going to be today. All right. We have also been talking about springtime during our group times here lately. And yesterday we read a story about spring. It was called Spring. Actually, we did 2 stories yesterday about spring. We are going to read a Curious George story today about something that happens in the spring. Wind. And we talked a little bit about the wind. When it's windy outside, sometimes we could fly a kite. So we are going to read Curious George, the Kite. And let's see what mischief Curious George has gotten himself into this time. This is written by, it's adapted, sorry. It is adapted by Monica Perez, and it's based on the TV series teleplay written by Joe Fallon. So those are the authors and illustrators of this Scholastic Incorporated book. All right. Curious George, the Kite. It was a sunny day in the country. George opened the window to let in the fresh, cool air. And that's the way our weather's been lately. It's been warm, but we've had nice, cool breezes, so we've had our windows open. All right. It was windy. George liked to watch the wind carry things away. It carried the leaves away. It carried the cards away. It did not carry his brick away. As George looked up, he saw something colorful in the sky. It was a kite. It belonged to Bill, the boy next door. George wanted to fly the kite more than anything in the world. See how happy George looks? He's smiling up at Bill and Bill's kite. Flying a kite is not easy, said Bill, but I can teach you. Just then, Bill's mom called, Billy, please come and help me. Bill gave George the kite string. Please watch my kite for me, George, he said. I will be back soon. So look at George here. He's looking pretty happy because he's holding the kite string that's attached to the kite. George wanted to be good, but he was also very curious. He was curious about flying a kite. George went to a field. He held the kite up in the wind. It began to fly away. George chased the kite. He chased it over a hill and past a farm. The string pulled him along. The wind was too strong. It carried George away with the kite. So remember back on the first page, George was watching things blow in the wind. Remember, it carried the leaves, it carried the cards, but the brick was too heavy. It didn't carry the brick. But George must not be too heavy because the kite is pulling George along. George was flying like a bird. It was so much fun. It was fun until George almost crashed into a tree. Now Jumpy the squirrel was flying too. Jumpy did not like it. Soon George was happy to see the man with the yellow hat flying nearby. The man had a yellow hang glider. He had come to take George and Jumpy home. So look, here's the man with the yellow hat, and he caught George and Jumpy. George was glad to be back on the ground again. He gave Bill the kite. Thanks, you're a great flyer, Bill said. George liked flying, but he liked walking more. George still likes windy days. He likes to fly kites. He likes to fly kites that are just the right size. And you see how George has a smaller kite? Bill has a larger kite. The end. And this shows George flying in his airplane. It shows a way to make an airplane, a paper airplane if you wanted to. There's our bell. All right, so springtime is here and it's windy outside, and we read a story about Curious George and the kite. You guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.